In this video, we will look at how to multiply a fraction by a fraction. Let's start with a problem. How much is 1/4 of 1/3? Let's see how this looks like. So this is a whole and I have split it into 3 equal parts. So this part of it is a 1/3. Now I need to figure out how much is 1/4 of 1/3. So I need to take this 1/3 and split it into 4 equal parts. So I have, this is a half, and then these are 4 equal parts. And I'm interested in one of these equal parts, so this is 1/4 of this 1/3. How many of such pieces are in the whole? So if I take each of these thirds and split it into 4 parts, I have 12 little parts. So 1/4 of 1/3 equals 1 out of 12. So 1/4 of 1/3 of 1/3, and this is a good time to say that 1/4 of 1/3 is the same as 1/4 times 1/3, and we figured that that is 1 out of 12. So 1/4 times 1/3 equals 1/12. Let's look at another problem. So how much is 3/4 of 1/3? Let's start with where we had left off here. So we already know that 1/4 of 1/3 is 1/12. What would be 3/4? So we actually need 3 of these fourths. So we have one of the fourths here, we need one more fourth here, and we need one more of these fourths. So 3/4 of 1/3, let me change the pen, 3/4 of 1/3, which is the same as 3/4 times 1/3, equals, we have 3 of these pieces out of 12 of these pieces. So this is equals 3/12. And if we simplify this, we will get 1/4. So we have 1/12 here. When we did 1/4 times 1/3, we have 3/12 here. When we did 3/4 times 3/12, let's look at another problem. How much is 3/4 of 2/3? So again, let's start with what we have already done. We know that 3/4 of 1/3 looks like this. So if we have one more third, it would be this area shaded in. And now if we wanted 3/4 of this, we would go, this is a fourth, this is a fourth, and this is a fourth. So now let's see how much is 3/4 of 2/3. So 3/4 of 2/3 equals 3/4 times 2/3. And if we look at it, we have 6 of these little pieces. So we have 6 out of a total of 12. So 3/4 times 2/3 equals 6/12, and we can simplify this to half. What does this all mean? Is there a method or a set of steps that we can use to multiply a fraction by a fraction? Let's figure out these steps. This is what we have done so far. So we did 1/4 times 1/3 and we got 1/12. We did 3/4 times 1/3 and we got 3/12. And then we did 3/4 times 2/3 equals 6/12. So you'll notice that when we multiply a fraction by a fraction, we can get the answer by multiplying the numerators and multiplying the denominators. So let's write that down. Multiply the numerators the next step is to multiply the denominators, and then what we would do in any problem is to simplify the fraction. Let's see how we can do each of these following these steps. So 1/4 times 1/3, we multiply the numerators, so that is equal to 1 times 1, and we multiply the denominators, so that's 4 times 3, and that is equal to 1/12. The next problem is 3/4 times 1/3, so we multiply the numerator, and that is 3 times 1, and we multiply the denominators, that's 4 times 3, and that's equal to 3/12, and we can simplify this to 1/4. The last problem is 3/4 times 2/3. We multiply the numerators, and that's 3 times 2, and we multiply the denominators, that's 4 times 3, and that's equal to 6/12, and we can simplify that to half.